Gx200 14Ltrs 150 bar, all set up so it's frost protected when it wants to be when you finish off with the machine itself. So what I've simply got there is prime and frost valve, so when you finish off that is in that position. That turns to close it. So once you prime your machine up, you would simply keep it and close it off to that position. So as you finish off, that machine is in that position. Your pipe itself automatically runs out your door there. Feed coming into the system. So you've got a few options here. Obviously you've got your water tank at the back of you. At the moment in time, what simply can happen if you wanted to, while the ball cocks are in this position, you could plug straight onto a mains feed. That in that position, it would then feed the machine directly. But what you've got to remember is, it would automatically, when you let go of the trigger, you'd be dumping back to the other side to the water tank. It would fill the water tank up. So when you're working off the water tank itself, what you'd simply do is close this point, make sure that's open, and open that up. Water then obviously would suck from your tank into the system, it would come up into here. When you let go of the trigger, it would automatically return round in the tank itself, so it's flow and return systems. You can leave the machine running all day long, it won't do any harm. We've also got flow sensitive unloader on there like always, so it means that the gun leaking, no problem, you can just leave it, no problem, and the machine's not going to start surging and cycling all the time, causing problems on the system itself. We've made this so if you want to at any stage, disconnect it. You've got a 10 metre and a 20 metre. 20 metre on first, followed by 10, so you just simply quick connect off there and join the 10 metre on if you didn't want to use a 20 straight onto the reel itself. Got your generator, make sure that you turn the red switch on, turn the choke on when you first start it, and the fuel on. Same again on that side as well. This can be started on full revs as well, because the GX with the W154 pump, it's a high revving pump system, so it doesn't matter, it won't do any harm at all with the reduction gearbox in place. It's not one of these high revving systems. So if you really wanted to also at any stage, what can simply happen is when you finish off, you would simply open this valve up at the end of the day, close this one off, it would then drain the system completely off, so you've then got no frost for the next day. It takes all the frost out of the system, so that pipe would automatically drain itself off. From there, run out of the pump, it's then frost protected. So that's when it's in that position. So as you come back next day, you filled your water tank up, if you wanted to as well, by simply connecting up that way. At the moment we're draining off the tank, but if you went and put mains into it, it'd automatically fill it up as well. So as you come to use it normally, we're going to close that off. So we're working off the tank in the back of here. Open that up, open the tank up, and the water itself will come from here up into the system and round. And that's your return pipe from the other side, returning to the tank itself. Thank you much, brilliant, sorted.